Alright, today we have a Remington 870 Express Magnum. We're going to start by checking to make sure it's empty. So we'll pull it back, we'll look in the barrel, we'll look in the magazine, and we don't have anything there, so we're good. Next thing we'll do is we'll start taking off the magazine cap. And then we can just take the barrel off. Then we can start pulling our bolt out. There's two nubs underneath here that you have to apply pressure to get both of them at the same time, but once you do, your bolt will slide right out. It's a little bit tricky when you haven't done it in a few years. There we go. Then we'll just capture this so we don't drop it on the table. And for field stripping purposes, you have your 870 apart. To put it back together, we're going to do it just in reverse order. So we're going to put that on there. You can try and put this on backwards. It's not going to go well for you. These are cut out on your bars so that it actually fits this properly. Put your bolt back on there. We'll line it back up into the receiver. Now those two bars that are on the inside there are going to give you a headache again. You just push them in as you push the bolt back into the receiver, and you got it. Put the barrel back on. We're going to have the bars all the way back. Just fits on like that. And we take the magazine cap, put it back on, and we are all assembled again. And we are set.